Welcome to this video to learn how to install Windows 10 11 in your PC in less than 5 minutes. First, you must open your preferred browser and search for Windows 11 download. Then, click to enter the first link. Scroll down and click on Download. Now save your file and use programs like Rufus or Balena Etcher to add it to your USB device. Once it's ready, open your BIOS and boot from your USB drive to enter the installation program. Click where you see on the screen. Click where you see on the screen. When the installation is complete, restart to enter the system customization, and your system will be ready to use.